We are going to begin Punnett Square Practice 3, question number 1. We're looking at nearsightedness, and it says here nearsightedness is dominant trait, and we're going to cross a heterogeneous nearsighted male with a homozygous normal-sighted female. So it's a dominant trait, so we're going to say right here near. I'll call the recessive far. Genotypes, remember we only have 3, we always have the same ones. Homozygous dominant. Use the words when you write them down so that they connect inside your head in the long-term memory. Working on memory strategies here. That was heterozygous. This is homozygous recessive. I'm using them as I write them, connecting the physical with the auditory, internal auditory. Phenotypes, well, we have 2 near, so it's going to be near. And near is dominant as well. Here we have a dominant near and a recessive far, so near is going to win. Remember, phenotype means the physical trait. And here we have 2 recessive, a lowercase, far, so we will have far side here. Okay, we're going to cross, and it wants a heterozygous nearsighted, so that would be this one. So I'm going to put that here. And a homozygous normal sighted female, which is our far here. So we drop down this right here, and I'll do it. We'll make this red so you can see first N. Now they are separated, and the recessive variations of the gene right here. We'll go vertically first. We'll put these in. So I'm distributing this one N here, and I put it here as well. Distribute this one down here, and I distribute it into this box as well. Here, I'm going to distribute this capital N here, and distribute it here as well. Distribute this here, distribute this here. Now I'm going to write near into all the ones that are near and far into the ones that are far. So this is a capital N, lower N, which is the heterozygous, and the heterozygous, the phenotype is near, so we're going to write near. This is a heterozygous as well, near. These are homozygous recessive, both of them, so that is far. I'll do that in a different color. Far. Now let's do the math. So we have 2 out of 4 near, 2 out of 4 far. The dominant trait is nearsighted. So what percent of the offspring will express the dominant trait or nearsighted? 2 out of 4, which is 50%. 2 out of 4. You don't actually have to write that. That's the ratio, which it will sometimes ask you for. So we'll just write near. What's the percent of the offspring expressing the recessive trait, which is far? 50%. And what is the percentage of the offspring that are heterozygous for the trait? Heterozygous is this one. And this one is, and this one is. Both are heterozygotes. So we have 2 out of 4, so that's 50. Remember, when it's graded, you'll be looking for the variables are defined, the key is made, the cross has been put on here, the letters have been distributed properly, the phenotypes are written in the box, and the answer is written on the blank, and always a positive if there's a label.